Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert LaTeX equation to Microsoft Word. So there are two methods. First one, click on Insert, then Equation. So now you have this equation. You can write your equation here. Select here Unicode. So like write here y equal /int. Press spacebar. Now select here and insert your LaTeX. And here click on Convert. You can convert professional. So we can see it's converted in professional look. I will show you another example. Click on Insert, then Equation. Select here LaTeX. Select here, click on Insert and Equation. Also you can use Alt plus equal sign. Now here select LaTeX and paste here. Click on Convert. Here you can convert professional, current liner, all professional, or all liner. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.